Chineke agaghị ekwe ka ihere mee ihe m ji na-eto ya bụ na mara Chineke agaghị ekwe ka ihere mee ihe m ji na-eto ya bụ na mara Chineke agaghị ekwe ka ihere mee ihe m ji na-eto ya bụ na mara Chineke agaghị ekwe ihere mee ihe m ji na-eto ya bụ na mara Chineke agaghị ekwe ka ihere mee ihe m ji na-eto ya bụ na mara Chineke agaghị ekwe ka ihere mee ihe m ji na-eto ya bụ na mara Chineke agaghị ekwe ka ihere mee ihe m ji na-eto ya bụ na mara Chineke agaghị ekwe ka ihere mee. Hi my beautiful people, you're welcome back again to my channel. I am Confidence, a mommy vlogger based here in Abuja, Nigeria. Today is a happy day and today is 1st October. Happy Independence Day to all of us that is proud to be a Nigerian. Happy Independence Day. Let me even sit down. Then I will gist you guys what brought us to today's video. So, Alamadagema Dina Imara Mamo Neonanya Gina Ubiomagi Odurumanya Timo Iwegi Bawe Odigo Nyedikagi Ibu Alpha and Omega Ani Nine Nadagema. So guys, happy new month to each and every one of you, wherever you're watching me from. So today, this is just like a happy moment in my life. And I am so happy to make this video, to film this video today in your presence, okay? So guys, there's one of my customer and she liked my son so much. I think my phone is ringing. Hold on. Sorry guys, sorry about that. She liked my son so much, and she liked my second son, which is Desmond, and she's so proud of that my child. So last month, you all know, I celebrated Emmanuel's birthday last month, which I'm yet to upload those videos and pictures for you guys to help me to congratulate him like his 2 years birthday. Honestly, work and busy and other videos that I want to post first could not even allow me to post my baby's video and all that, his birthday video, birthday celebration party and all that. I could not post it, but one day I will just post it and let it be on YouTube for memorable, I don't know, for some reasons, okay? So now she now asked me, when is this month turning to 1 year? I said October 13th. He'll be 1 year October 13th. And she now said, okay, do I know his size? And I said, I don't know. Then I have to snap my baby and send to her. She did not tell me anything. She did not even tell me that this is what she's having in mind. But she always said that Desmond is her son. Desmond is her baby. You understand? So yesterday evening when my husband was coming back from work, he now got, because I use sometimes I use our house address, and yesterday I was not really around. Then when he came back and he saw some this thing, now it was dropped in our place and he now brought it in. I was like, what are you carrying? Then he now said that he saw this DHL stuff in front of our door, and I said, okay, let me check. Her name is written boldly there and all that. I have opened it because I didn't even know who sent me something. She did not tell me that she sent me anything. So, and I was so scared first, because I'm not expecting anything from DHL. I'm not expecting anything from my customers, because sometimes when they want to do something, they will have to inform you. But this one, no, because she have my address. she just literally do it on her own, okay? So it's worth celebrating. And all these things that is here, I am going to share it with you guys, because it has been long we share testimonies. So not that the testimonies are not coming, but it's now coming with money. So I don't know how to come and carry money and be showing you guys. It is really happening. Ana wo onere. Ana wo onere. Ana ekpechi ana aza. Hey. Edema. Dezia. Edema. Dezia. Edema. Idiro bimuma. Chineke nedema. Jehovah nedema. Chomama nedema. I will start from myself, okay? So this is what I got from my lovely customer that I did work for. I am so happy. Like this kind of thing, go and price it here in Abuja. Hey, they will use price and pursue you. I don't know if you guys are seeing these palms, but it has small heel, but it's so beautiful. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. My customers are not smiling. Oh, those that are remembering me are not smiling. There are some people that will run away. Oh. After you do their work, that is when they will tell you that I've not paid my school fee, my son's school fees, or my daughter's school fees. So look at another one. This is sandal. This one now is not sandal. This one is palm. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. This one is palm, and this one is sandal. Where am I? Hey, asim na Chineke anya bụ dogu. Obo dogu na ndi ya. So this is it, and it's just. It just came in. So I decided to show you guys before I will now use my nyama leg and put on it too. So another one is still coming. This is just like, God, if not for this my work, I for the slay. In fact, I for don't turn to slay queen, but my work will not allow me. Can you see this thing? Can you see this? This one is pants. Okay, so guys, pardon me if I am talking fast. I am so happy. Yesterday night I was asking God, oh yeah, let day break. I want to film this video. I could not hold my joy. Honestly, go and price this type of thing. You will know that all these things are again designers wear. Ana gonere. Kodira anyima. Giwa bonye ne gemonti. Giwa bonye ne nenem. It shall be well with you. Amen and amen. Amen. So that is all for me. She bought three palms for me, one sandal, 2 palms for me, and they are so beautiful. Now let's go to Desmond own. This Desmond own is so beautiful, and that's her son. She said Desmond is her son. This is Desmond's shoe. She now said like a birthday gift in advance, because his birthday is October 13th. So she have bought some fine shoes, fine designer shoes for my little Desi Chimobim. His Igbo name is Chimobim, and the meaning of Chimobim is God knows my heart. Okay, Chukumarobim. Okay, that my miraculous baby Desmond. This is his shoe, and it's so beautiful. Another one is still here. Let me be arranging it because I don't want to scatter it that much, and to arrange it now, I will go and be doing another thing. So, if you open, you arrange. So, mommy, I know you are watching this video. Hey, this one even. Jesus. Who can show me the name? Jehovah. Hey, is the name above all the names. Jehovah. Can you see this? Can you see this type of fine shoes? In fact, I am not going to buy any shoes for him. Oh, this shoe now, he will use it and snap his birthday picture. Oh, can you see? This is so beautiful. Mommy, thank you so much. God bless you for me. God bless you. Call on me anytime, any moment, any day. In fact, if you call me around 1 a.m., I will pick. This one is not as if, don't call me 1 a.m. Call me, I will pick. Oh, Jesus. Guys, can you see another one? Can you see another one? This, you want my baby to be looking like London when he's still in Nigeria? Jesus, can you guys see? My baby will be wearing sock, designers. It is grace. Celebrate grace, guys. Celebrate grace. This is another one, okay? It's 3 pairs of shoes, and they are so beautiful. And I believe they are also expensive. You know, children things can be expensive. Like, if you go and price something like this in Nigeria, you know what I'm talking about, okay? It's so expensive, and I am so proud of you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now here comes the clothes. All these things are clothes he bought for Desmond, baby Desmond. I don't know if you guys are seeing it very well, but this is how it looks like. Wait, so guys, sorry about that. This is the shirt he bought for my baby boy, and it's so beautiful. I like white. In fact, my spirit is white. For those of you that have did 1 walk or 2 walks, you will know that my spirit is white. So I love white, and I love seeing my children wearing white, honestly. So I love white a lot. So this is another one. Hey, another one. Of a truth, I did not even open. I just saw my shoes, and I pick off. So this one are also beautiful for baby Desmond. This one is Nika, and Nika used to fit that baby so much because he has a chubby body. So whenever you wear him Nika, he will be looking like abroad children, all these Oyibo children. Thank you so much, ma. God bless you. God bless you for me. His birthday is even, in fact, it's as if let it be tomorrow or today, self. Thank you so much. This is another one. I like it. Thank you so much. God bless you for me. God will replenish it in 1,000-fold. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you. There's a lot. This is another one for baby Desmond. He'll be turning a year in this month, 13th of this month, okay? Thank you so much. This is the last one, and I am so happy. Honestly, it's not easy to remember. It is not easy to pay back, and it is not easy to give test money, okay? And I am happy. I am so happy to give this test money on the 1st of October. Though the goose came in last night, I couldn't vlog because I was so tired last night. But guys, I am so happy. I am so happy. I say money nesia idima nesia idima idiro biboma tineka dema tiama dema chama dema idiro biboma nebe mona zaya ebe mona monwa o nebe mona rolo idima idiro biboma chiraka nedema jiova nedema chama monedema idiro biboma. Thank you so much, mommy, for giving us all these luxurious gifts. I am so grateful. God bless you for me. I and my family, on behalf of my family, I am saying thank you, and may God bless you, okay? Thank you for having my back, and also thank you for remembering to come back. It's not everybody that does that, and I am so happy you did, okay? And I am also happy that the work I did for you really worked for you, okay? Thank you so much. God bless you. Guys, please thank her on my behalf and on behalf of my little baby Desmond Chimobim. Thank her on our behalf and pray for her, okay? Thank you so much. You have watched this video up to this point. I still remain confident, and I will see you guys in my next video. But for now, stay safe, remain blessed. Ciao, bye. I love you guys.